A function f of a to b is said to be invertible if there exists function g of b to a such that g of f is equal to ia and f of g is equal to ib. The function g is the inverse of f and is denoted by f of f inverse. So inverse of a function is that reverses another function with the function f applied to an input x gives us a result of y, then applying its inverse function g to y gives the result x and vice versa. That is, f of x is equal to y if and only if g of y is equal to x. Now let us look into a problem, example problem related to this. If a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and b is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and f of a to b is given by f of x is equal to 2x, then write f and f inverse as a set of ordered pairs. This is a very simple problem. Now let us see how to solve this. Now f of 1 is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 4. F of 3 is equal to 6. And f of 4 is equal to 3. So if I write this in ordered pair, f is equal to 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6 and 4, 8. Therefore, on interchanging the components of ordered pairs in f, we obtain f inverse is equal to 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3 and 8, 4. Now looking into another problem, show that f of minus 1, 1 to r given by f of x is equal to x by x plus 2 is 1 to 1. Find the inverse of the function f of minus 1 to 1, minus 1, 1 to range of f. Now let us see how to solve this. Let x and y be two elements of minus 1, 1. Then f of x is equal to f of y, which is equal to x by, or this implies x by x plus 2 is equal to y by y plus 2. Now cross multiplying, you get xy plus 2x is equal to xy plus 2y. So x and x gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So this implies x is equal to y. So this shows it is 1 to 1 and it is invertible. And hence it is invertible. Now, next we have to see, we have to find f inverse. So if f inverse is now, it is denoted by f raised to the power of minus 1, then f of F inverse of x should be equal to x for all x belongs to range of f. So, f of f inverse of x is equal to x. That is, f inverse of x divided by f inverse of x plus 2 is equal to x. Or, now cross multiplying, you get f inverse of x is equal to 2x plus x into f inverse of x, which is nothing but 2x divided by 1 minus x. Hence, f inverse range of f to f in the between minus 1 and 1 is given by f inverse of x is equal to 2x by 1 minus x.